What if you could earn over $2,500 per month on YouTube without having to create any videos? This is the spot for you. There's no limit to the number of times you can do this. Moreover, this is quite basic and straightforward, and we can accomplish it without any prior knowledge or experience. The best part is that this is completely free of charge. To get started, you don't need to invest any money. All across the world, there are many chances for people to pursue their dreams. And now I'll teach you how to create a free account and lead you through several examples on how to do this step by step in this short video. It does not require recording and editing videos. In addition, the technique is really simple. To learn how to earn $25,000 a month by posting only YouTube shorts, watch this video. Please watch the entire video to the finish so that you don't miss anything vital. Okay, so the steps to making money with YouTube shorts are very simple, and I will walk you through them one by one. The first step is to obtain your YouTube video. As previously stated, you will not be required to record these videos yourself, so all you need is a website. This is exactly what you need to see. This tool for signing up for this website is completely free, and while there are some features that require payment in order to access, you don't have to pay for anything other than the necessities you'll need for the store. So all you need to do is sign up for a free account on the website. After that, go ahead and click on the template icon to get what we need for the templates. This website provides a variety of beautiful templates that are free to use, and we can make use of them. If you don't want to use the exact video, you can change some of the text and the video itself. After that, you can simply upload your videos to your YouTube channel. This is not the typical method for creating a YouTube video, but you will not become a YouTuber as a result of it. When you click on the template, you'll be presented with a plethora of options from which to choose, and you'll need to select the appropriate resolution for your videos. As a result, you must select a resolution or dimension that is optimized for YouTube. The templates are now simple to use and come with a variety of offers based on the type of video you want to use. For example, you can search for weight loss videos and be presented with a list of suitable templates for weight loss videos. When you click on the template, you will see that it's been specifically tailored for what you've searched for. For example, if you click on a workout template that discusses 10 ways to lose belly fat, the template will be divided into those 10 sections. And all you have to do is insert your videos in the order they appear. Templates are available for free on YouTube. If you upload these templates to YouTube, you will not receive a copyright strike, and your video will not be restricted or banned. After you've selected the template you want, you can edit it. Everything will be set up for you by this website. Still, you'll need to edit the text and the video. The opening text in particular should be catchy and should entice people to keep watching your video. Clips can also be removed from a template. You must ensure that the final text of the last slide indicates that you clicked on the link that takes your viewers to your website. You can also incorporate music into your template. When you are finished with that template, go ahead and publish it. After you publish, you will be given resolution options. Some resolutions will cost you money, but you can simply use the cheapest option available. After that, you can proceed to render your video. Once you've done that, it shouldn't take you more than a minute to finish it. The next step is to publish your YouTube video to your YouTube channel. You no longer need to have any subscribers or likes on your channel to make more money. It is critical to give your video a catchy title before uploading it to your YouTube channel. Put your affiliate links in the description box that is created for you before you upload your video. This is due to the fact that when someone purchases a product through your affiliate links, they are already in the description box. This is where we earn our living. This means that in order to make money through this medium, you must have an affiliate link. There are numerous affiliate programs available for affiliate marketing. As a result, you can always select the option that best suits your needs. By the way, the name of this fantastic tool is Wave.video. A good example of an affiliate marketing platform is clickbank.com. When you visit the website, you will notice that creating an account on this platform is completely free. It is very simple to set up an account. Simply click sign up and enter the necessary information on the website. Choose a category once you've created your profile. Become an affiliate marketer is what you want to do. Go to ClickBank Marketplace and search for a suitable niche. It makes sense to choose health and fitness as the category to publish exercise videos. Your job is to promote health and wellness items. As soon as you've selected the category of your choice, you'll have the option of selecting individual products to promote. Numerous goods will be provided for you to promote. Most of the time, these things are listed from the most popular ClickBank product to the least popular ClickBank product. A discount on popular products can net you up to $120 on average. There is now a preview of every product accessible for promotion on ClickBank, so you may choose what you wish to advertise. With visual representations, you've usually informed everything you need to know about the things you're looking at. People that buy your product can take advantage of a variety of discounts. It's a win-win situation for both parties. You can earn up to 75% of the sale price. Once you've found the product you'd want to promote, you'll be able to enter your affiliate ID, and a link will be generated for you automatically. Your YouTube channel's description box will have this link when it is time to publish your video. In most cases, the offered link is long and unappealing. If you want to shorten your link and improve its appearance, you can use tinyurl.com. Simply copy and paste the link into your web browser and click on the little URL symbol. It's that simple. Then you'll need to copy the URL and put it into the description field. Simply clicking on the website and making a purchase is really simple. In addition, you gain a percentage of every purchase you make. Making folks click on that link is the difficult part. Don't forget that it's not the video that brings in the cash, but the link. There are countless strategies to increase the number of people who watch your YouTube videos. Perhaps you'll need to look at other possibilities beside YouTube. This is due to the fact that YouTube does not recommend or rank this type of video, since in the end, this video has no genuine value. Now tell me, how do you get people to watch your videos on YouTube? Quora is one way to go about it. A free account can be created on this site if you want one. Once you've signed up for a free account, you can start looking for discussions. So people are interested in the type of material you're putting out, such as weight reduction articles, for example. It's possible that someone on Quora will question about how they can lose weight. By adding a link to your YouTube channel, you can leave a remark there. Once people see the link, they'll click on your YouTube link, watch the video, and click on the link, and the more people who buy things using your link, the more money you'll make. Getting individuals to click on your affiliate marketing link is therefore the most crucial thing to focus on. Include the link to your YouTube video as well as the bios of all of your social media accounts. As a result, your video will be seen by those who aren't regulars on YouTube. Your affiliate marketing link can then be posted on all of your social media channels. YouTube isn't the one who's paying you, it's them that you're trying to reach with your marketing. With all of that said, that's all for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you made it this far. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell